Okay, so I want to look at symbolization 3042, which is professors are good lecturers if and only if they are both witty and intellectually competent. So you might think, look, this is a biconditional. Think professors are good lecturers. Then you think if and only if they are both witty and intellectually competent. Now, the problem with this symbolization is that it says that all professors are, with this approach, it says all professors are good lecturers if and only if all professors are both witty and intellectually competent. Okay, so this is true if both sides are false. So suppose that there are some professors that are not good lecturers, and there are also some professors that aren't both witty and intellectually competent. Okay, fine. But now, forget about, but what the original sentence says is, each professor is like this. He or she is a good lecturer if and only if he or she is both witty and intellectually competent. But this doesn't require that. This just requires that these two biconditionals have the same truth value. And so maybe if they're both false, then it's true. And so this says, well, okay, we've got one professor who's not a good lecturer. This is true, or this is false. We've got one professor we got some other professor maybe who's not both witty and intellectually competent. And then we're done. Both sides are false. The biconditional is true. And then what are all the other professors like? Are they good lecturers? Are the good lecturers witty and intellectually competent? Maybe. What about the bad lecturers? Are they witty? Are they not both witty and intellectually competent? This symbolization has nothing to say about that. But the original sentence does. The original sentence takes each professor one by one and says he or she is a good lecturer if and only if he or she is both witty and intellectually competent. So what we want to do is this. Oops, whoops. Let's see. Because we want a symbolization that says of each professor is like this. Not all professors are one way if and only if all professors are another way, which is true if some professor is not the one way and some professor is not the other way. And then who knows how being those two ways is correlated for all the other professors. So, okay, now this is where the biconditional goes. So then we say X is a good lecturer here, and X is both witty and intellectually competent there. GX, this is just a conjunction of X is witty and X is intellectually competent. Oops. That's better. So there we go. The main thing is just to get that this is the determiner phrase, and this whole thing is the verb phrase. And the they is anaphoric on professors. So that's 3042.